Hey fellow RCers, this is Marshall with Madgear RC, and there's Christopher over there. We're going to do a little short video of his new little short course truck from Madgear. He's fixing to run it a little bit. He'll probably run it a little bit slow this time just to break it in easy. He'll get faster as he drives it. I'm going to set it down and he's fixing to rip it on off. Because you got to get used to that steering. All right, let me get behind the camera and watch you and see where you're at. Okay, I can still see you. Come on back. Turn around. That way you get back in frame. There you go.
Yeah, I saw that truck trying to sneak off into the bushes. Now we're getting somewhere.
Oh yeah, it's got a quick reverse on it. It turns around, it backs up pretty quick. It's actually got a better reverse on this truck than I do on my truck. My truck takes a little bit to back up. That thing backs up quick. See, it jumps back. Mine, you got to gun it all the way backwards just to get it to back up. Well, of course, that could be because mine doesn't have an antenna tube. Yeah, get right over there. Go back where you were at right there in that dirt in just a second. When you come back up, turn it around. Yeah, go on around. Now head back down there and get right there where that dirt is, right there where them two sections of road come together. Get on foot right there. Now come over into that dirt right there. Do some donuts right there in that dirt. Not in the grass, in the dirt. Yeah. Alright. Now bring it on back.
Oh, you wanted to see that, didn't you?
Alright, this is Marshall with Budget Guy RC again. There's Christopher right there. I wanted to come back on and do a little bit more with his truck. He seems to be a lot better off with this one. Seems like he can handle it better, because he seems to be turning better. He can get out of stuff a little better. He seems to be doing pretty good with it. He needs to wait right there because there's a truck coming. He's got, next time maybe he can open it up for us on the next video and see how fast it really does go and everything. So maybe next time he'll open it up wide open for everybody and let them see how fast it'll go. But this time was just a little quick test to see how it runs. And I'm going to sit here and let him say goodbye if he can quit scratching.
Bye.
We'll see y'all on our next video. Later, guys.